Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us. And yesterday when we were discussing about gold, it was trading somewhere around here. It was struggling to cross 4150. And as we all know, 4150 was a psychological resistance. Market also faced resistance previously, so it failed. But to be honest, okay, after this bull run or up move, we were not expecting gold to go sideways. We discussed about few minor levels around here, then around here, nothing worked. Okay, nothing worked because okay, there was a sudden move on gold, okay, and gold just okay shattered all the minor levels. It did not come to the major levels, but ultimately took support around 4100, and now we can see a sideways market. Gold proved again that gold is not for weak-hearted. So gold is like the beautiful girl in the college who likes to flirt but doesn't come in. She gives you hope, looks stable, but the moment you trust her, boom, volatility. So what is the trend of the market now? The trend of the market is sideways. If you're a day trader, yeah, if you are a day trader, then the market is sideways for you. Market is trading in a range. Overall trend is bullish, there is no doubt about it, but now we have a sideways market. So if you are a swing trader, or if you're planning to take a trade for the next couple of days and weeks, then obviously you can still look for buy at retracement, or you can hold your buy with trailing stop loss. But if you're a day trader, then you need to stick to the levels again, because the up move, okay, the up move is under trouble. Okay, so you can see I have drawn new lines here, so let's try to understand them one by one. So first of all, the levels from yesterday, the major levels, remember the yellow boxes? Yeah, they are still very much valid. Means 4021, 4027, the box at the bottom is still the best support. If market drops, okay, we can look for a buy around this area. We also have a support around 4050. Okay, this box, okay, so 4050, not precisely 4050, it can be 4051, it can be 4049, because these levels work as zones in a market, not a particular level. So around 4050 also we can expect a market to take support. So if market drops, we can look for a support around this area. This is gold, anything may happen. Gold is full of surprises, so just keep in mind during the US session, okay, if you see big red candles, these are the two levels where you can expect gold to take support. No level is permanent. If it takes support, if you see market showing price rejection from below, then only hit the buy button. How much we can expect? We can expect 100 to 150 pips. Okay, and right now we can see that gold is trying to take support around 4100, but there is a chance that okay, market may drop below 4097 as well. Right now market is struggling, but during the day, or especially during the European session, US session, if market drops with a red candle, okay, if you want to take the risk, okay, if you want to take the risk, you can look for a sell as well below 4097. If you're wondering why, Avilas, this is risky, because overall trend is bullish. We should not forget it. Overall the bulls are still in dominance. So as a day trader or scalper, you can look for a sell below 4097 if you see a market drops with a big red candle. Okay, then we have some minor levels around 4079, the this level here around 4079, 4077. When market will go below this level, okay, this will be the next support. As I said, it's a minor level, dotted line. Okay, so they are not very strong, but as a day trader we can still expect that market will get some support around this area. If market behaves according to our expectation, then only go for a buy. If you see that market, okay, there is no chance market is going to respect it, market is standing at suppose 4065 with a big red candle, use your common sense. No level is permanent. We are considering 40, okay, we are considering 4065 because yesterday FIBO worked. Okay, for a long time FIBO was not working, but yesterday FIBO worked. So there's a chance that 4065, 4066 may work today. The next FIBO level of 38.2% retracement level. Okay, and we are considering 4079 because of previous support 4079, 4080. Let's see, okay, which one works. Okay, and because it feels that gold is about to give a tough time again. Last week, remember last week was so tough. Okay, okay, Gold was just messing with us, but this week also may give us tough time again. And the resistance, okay, resistance of 4015055 is still very much valid. During the day, if you see market going up from here, there's a high chance that it will be a false breakout. During the day, my dear friends, if you see market consolidating around 4150, 4145 for 2 to 3 hours, then you can look for a breakout. As we all know, my dear friends, consolidation plays a very critical role in a breakout. Without consolidation, okay, there's a high chance that the breakout may fail. If you see market consolidating around 4140, 4145, then you can expect a breakout to continue. Okay, and obviously, okay, if you do not want to take the risk of buying a breakout, you can buy pullback as well. Okay, that strategy is still very much there, but as of now we do not have any particular trend in the market, so let's wait and watch in which direction the market moves. Obviously, we will get a better and clear direction in the US session. Okay, but as of now, okay, things are not very promising, because in a range bound market like this, the trading opportunities are limited. We end up losing money because the middle levels, they do not work. For example, the levels from yesterday, they were on the middle of the chart, that's why they did not work. And right now the range of the market is 4100 on the downside and 4150 on the upside. Rest, time will speak.